Hey traders, we got about 5 seconds until the market opens. I'm mainly watching VTVT right here, straight out of the gates. I want to see a sell-off. If we see a sell-off, I'm going to be scooping this up and getting a starter entry on it. All right, here we go. We're getting that sell-off. All right, I'm in this at 433. All right, I sold right there because 450 is tough resistance. Take a small little profit right there. I am going to be buying a wash again on this near $4 support. Your emotions tell you when a stock is going up to buy it. That's FOMO, fear of missing out. You want to do the opposite of that. You know, when the tape is getting really fast and speeding up, people are buying. People are experiencing FOMO. That's when you want to short sell, because as soon as there's become some selling pressure, all that selling is going to start happening and taking place. Short sellers coming in, everyone starts panic selling their positions. You want to do the opposite of what your emotions are telling you to do. That's why we're looking to buy these dips, buy the washouts. We would not buy right at the open there, right near resistance too, 468. You know, that's just hoping. That's just hoping we're going to be breaking out right at the start of the day. You're buying at resistance. That's not good risk reward. What we want to be doing is buying the dip, sell the rip. VTVT, if this sells off again to $4, that's what I'm going to be looking for. This one, I think, is setting itself up in a little bear flag. Going to come down near the support down here. BL and K is looking to maybe do a little red to green here. I might throw in a little starter position coming up here shortly. VTVT coming right down near $4, guys. I'm going to pick up a few hundred shares right here. Took a little bit of profit there. Just in and out, guys, in and out. Buying, selling, buying, selling. All right, I'm going to start a little entry on BL and K. I think this one is right near support. It could do the red to green move here that I'm looking for. I have an entry out at 285. And I think if we get right above $3, break that, we could start pushing on up again. I like the daily chart on this. We're right here at support from yesterday. So I could see a little bounce coming in. Get back above $3. We're right near support from yesterday. So I'm going to keep my stop pretty tight on this one. I think we could get back above $3 if we get some good volume and then start moving our way up. Probably 310, 315 is going to be my target on this. I have a few cent stop loss. That's why I like getting in around support. I'm got in at 285. 280 is about support on this. If we get up above $3, we should be seeing at least 310. There's going to be some resistance from pre-market. All right, I'm getting out of BLNK. Good thing I got out right there. Just, you notice selling pressure, guys. You notice selling pressure on it. When the ask price starts coming down and the bids start dwindling away, that's when you want to get out of your position. All right, I'm getting in VTVT right here. We're double bottoming out at 413. I think we can start pushing our way back on up. This is a sell-off I was looking for. What we want to do is form another higher low, start working our way back on up towards 440. We're getting in right here, 412. I sold because 420 was heavy. 420 was heavy. There was a lot of sellers right there. It was sitting right at 420, didn't look good. Exited my position, got back in it. I'm able to trade more than once because I'm not under the PDT, you know, with Thinkorswim. So I'm able to do that, and that's what I got to do. That's where I messed up yesterday. You know, instead of taking my profits, good profits when I had them, I was just allowing it to come back down and re-enter. It just wasn't trading it very well at all. What we got here is a symmetrical triangle pattern. So this is an area you would want to buy, but it's sitting very heavy here as well. You see these upper shadows right around this lower trend. That's not a very good sign, guys. We want to be bouncing good off these lower trends, not seeing a lot of upper shadows, and that's why right now it looks like it's trying to crack underneath this lower trend right here. We saw this perfect, guys. This is going to be a great lesson for you guys, just because these shadows, you don't want to see upper shadows at the lower trend line. That's not good. That means that this lower trend line is very, very heavy with sellers. I may look to get VTVT at 375. That's going to be support, not only from the chart, but also, you know, $0.25 or support. All right, I'm entering VTVT right here. I do think we're on an inverse head and shoulders. We got the head here and shoulders in these corners. I really, really wish I would have got my entry at 375 on VTVT. Man, I'm kicking myself so much over that. Rather than getting in up here where I am, I'm not trying to chase this. It's just I see this pattern, and I want to trade this pattern. I'm gonna be holding this position for a little while here. I think this can work out pretty good for me. It's a grinder. I think we're gonna grind on this one for some of the day here. All right, here's the thing with VTVT. I saw this upper shadow here. I should have got out of my position. I can't take a partial with only a few hundred shares. You know, that just doesn't make any sense. What I should have done was sell. Should have sold up here. Got a little greedy on this one because earlier today, you know, I took my profit early and then it moved on up. I still think there's some potential on this. That's why my little starter position, I'm still letting that one roll on out. I do have a stop, you know, below this trend line. I will be getting out of it. But we are forming somewhat of, you know, a pattern here. We could have a higher low forming around this area. I think we could get back on up to 430 and beyond. Okay, traders, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you learned something. There were some good lessons in there I really think you guys are going to benefit from. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you tomorrow.